Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to third-person view in Avowed. So all you have to do is simply press in the right analog stick for a few seconds, and now you should see your character switch from first person to third-person view. So all you have to do is press in the right analog stick and you'll switch to third person. Now alternatively, you can also switch on the settings. You can do this on the settings. So let me just switch to first person. So all you have to do, if you're in a game, all you have to do is just pause the game, and then within the game, the pause menu, all you have to do is select settings, and then within the settings, go to the game section using the RB or the LB on the console, or if you have a keyboard and mouse on your PC, just click on game, and then scroll down and find the third person view option. Now by default it's set to off, so all you have to do is select it and to turn it on, and then apply the changes. So press the button either on your keyboard or on your controller to apply the changes. So my button to apply the changes is X, so I'll press X to apply the changes. And once done, exit the settings, and now you should see your character has switched from first person to third person view. Now that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.